Configuring Coinbase to sell crypto is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to create a Coinbase account if you haven't already, and verify your identity. This will give you access to the full range of Coinbase features, including the ability to sell cryptocurrency. To start the selling process, log into your Coinbase account and click on the Sell button, which is usually located on the top right corner of the page. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and choose your payment method. You can sell your crypto for a variety of currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount, or you can sell your entire balance. Coinbase will then display the current market price of the cryptocurrency, as well as the amount of money you will receive after fees. It is essential to understand that Coinbase charges a fee for selling cryptocurrency, which varies depending on the payment method and the amount being sold. The fees are clearly displayed on the Coinbase website, so you can factor them into your calculations. Once you have entered the amount you want to sell and reviewed the fees, click the Sell button to confirm the transaction. The funds will then be transferred to your payment method, which can take a few days to process, depending on the method you choose. To ensure a smooth and secure selling process, make sure your Coinbase account is fully verified and your payment method is up to date. It is also crucial to keep your account information and password secure to prevent unauthorized access. In conclusion, configuring Coinbase to sell crypto is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps and understanding the fees and payment methods, you can easily sell your cryptocurrency and transfer the funds to your preferred payment method. Always prioritize security and keep your account information up to date to ensure a safe and successful transaction.